While Kevin and I wait for Saoirse to arrive in the Mediterranean, we are taking advantage of being in close proximity to Vietnam. And in this episode, we're on our way to Ha Giang, and we are going to do its famous motorcycle loop. Today, we're in the limousine bus. It has these comfy reclining chairs. It's a bit of a wild bus ride. There goes the little bus.
Kevin, that's over.
We survived.
Okay.
Ah. Looking good, Kevin.
Everyone ready to go? Warmly welcome you guys to Vietnam and to Ha Giang. Okay, we do the tour together. We are the family.
All right. So we are doing the Easy Rider program. This is my driver, Ha. Give me the thumbs up. It's gonna be good. Here we go. It's hot actually, despite the rain. If you're wondering why Kevin and I are not driving ourselves on this adventure, it's because legally we can't. Canadians can't legally rent or drive vehicles in Vietnam because Canada issues the older 1949 International Driving Permit. Vietnam only recognizes the newer 1968 permit, which Canada doesn't issue. Many tourists drive illegally here, however there are multiple police checkpoints along the Ha Giang route where they enforce proper license and will fine you if you don't have it.
The main job for local people here, they do the farming. Grow a lot of corn here.
Corn, yeah.
Yeah, corn. But in the top of the mountain here, no river, no water to do the rice field. So that's why they make a lot of corn here. The corn, they use it to raise an animal, you know.
Animals.
So also in the houses they have animals like a cow, buffalo, dog, a lot of chicken, goat, pig. So all the animals they raise it by corn.
I mean the animals that they're raising, like you said dog, for example,
The dog also they make we kind of rice and eat it.
they eat it.
Yeah, they eat it.
Eat dog, yeah. Twisty switchbacks everywhere. It's getting busy. Everybody's squeezing through. Making fabrics out of hemp plants.
Grow. Well, make the fabric.
This one maybe doesn't have like PhD.
2 minutes.
This is the cultivated
They
plant.
go in that tree in the garden about 2 months. Now after that they take a skin. They
Okay. Oh, they take it off.
yeah, take it off. They finish
They put it in water in here and then
really
pound it.
stronger. Yeah. that's
After
before
crushing it.
after pounding.
It's softer.
So they said to connection together.
Just twist it?
Yeah.
Just twisted.
No knots. It's just twists.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, make it more stronger.
That's a really cool contraption.
Yeah, every girl, Hmong people have to know how to weave a fabric.
Right.
Burn the wooden, right? We have ash. They take the ash, mixing together with the fiber.
Okay.
Yeah, mixing together in the big pot here. Boil a few hours. After that, the fiber become a white color. White.
Oh yeah. It feels
Yeah, more
string
softer.
now.
Yeah, more
Yeah.
softer. The main step to do it. They dye by another other's tree in the forest.
Okay.
Yeah, just for the color like that. They dye the kind of plant, the trees in the forest. Yeah.
Hello, sweetie. You having a nice dream? These valleys are just never ending. Tofu, greens, beets, spring rolls. Yum, yum, yum. Very nice.
From here.
Busy place here. Here we are, Kevin.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Nice columns.
Are you ready?
Yes!
Do it louder with the energy and laugh. Yeah! Are you ready? Yeah! Một hai ba rổ. Một hai ba rổ. Hai ba rổ.
Hai ba rổ.
Hai ba uất.
Hai ba uất.
Cheers!
Cheers! Santé! His horn sings happy birthday when he presses it. That was funny.
After one day of the Ha Giang loop, now it's morning of day 2, and it just stopped raining, so we're going to do a little hike up above the homestay, a little zigzag road. A beautiful valley here, and yeah, in an hour it's breakfast, then we get going again.
The weather's nice, it's not hot. It's comfortable right now. It's perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. This is like dessert for breakfast.
Yeah.
Banana chocolate, pancakes. Gearing up for day 2. This is where we stayed for our first night. Now we're heading out. Vuong Castle.
Let's go. I can show more something.
Okay.
You too, let's go.
Ali says, let's go, let's go. To the palace.
Here. He was born this region here.
So, what was it? Accumulate virtue and the King's Gate's always open?
Something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay, come
It's
here.
really pretty.
Everyone. Totally, the palace have 64 rooms. And at that time, can live here about 100 people. The red cloth over here. Like I told you, everyone, among people, 100% we believe the ghost.
Ah.
We believe the ghost. So this one, the red cloth here, 1 year we're gonna change 1 time. Protect the member family inside the houses. From bad thing outside. The bad go outside, they cannot come in the houses. They come here,
Bad
this is to
spirits.
protect.
This is a bath.
The bath. Take a long time, 2 years to build it. Make it, you know.
2 years to build it.
Fake one. So at that time, the king soldier, they use that gun to protect and control the palace around here.
Only the coca leaves is not very good, but if you do make some.
Coming up.
Okay.
Oh, this is really neat. Oh, the tiles. They're really they're right there. Nothing in between. Oh. Excuse me. So the palace has some French influence, Hmong people, architecture influence, and Chinese. It's pretty neat. Kevin says it's like Winterfell.
King of the North.
King of the North. Cemetery for the soldiers. All the different rice, yeah.
Different types of rice.
Cool. And all the goods, of course.
Translator. I don't know.
testing different things. So across the valley here, that's China. And we're just learning, apparently since COVID-19 they've built a fence, which I've taken some photos, to divide the borders, and they're monitored and they're lit at night.
Yeah, every, what did he say, 10 meters or something, they have a big light, and they have guardhouses all the way.
Yeah, guardhouses. It's intense.
Imagine how many people are employed as border guards in just the stretch that we can see.
Yeah.
You see this mountain look like poison nose. That's why they call Mapile Pass, poison nose pass.
So blue.
That's where you take the boat trips from.
Yeah, I guess so.
With audience.
Wow. Thank you for watching our adventures in Vietnam. Next episode, we explore more of this beautiful country and complete our motorcycle tour of the Ha Giang Loop.